Well, hello there, my friends. How are you all doing? I hope you all are well. I am fantastic. Welcome to another video. Let me fix my mic. Welcome to another video. Today, I just want to come on here really quickly and show you guys something because I'm an avid gardener, and when I find something that is really good, something that works, and something that I really enjoy, something that I use, I like to come and share it with you guys. So, first of all, it's gardening season, and I'm having the gardening season bug. And so everything gardening is happening here. I'm ordering stuff online. I'm packing up stuff to go to my new home as you guys go. Like, guys, I'm so excited to make videos for you all. I have my membership channel. I have a couple of videos there. Go there and see the couple of videos that I have there and watch it. Let me know if the membership is too much for you guys. I promised that I was gonna put the herbal videos there. I did film the herbal videos, but I didn't see like much people taking like much attention to the membership. So when I have more people in the membership, like I will post more videos there. I'll add more videos and take the time to put them there. But now I'm focusing on this channel a lot, and I have a new channel, guys. So please go watch. Okay, I'll leave the link. I'll leave the link in the bottom of this channel, and it's called Medicine of My Ancestors. And you can also go watch videos there concerning, herbal remedies and stuff like that. So you can go there and watch it. And guys, when I find something nice and it works for me, I like to try it out for a while and come and show you guys, because like I said, this channel is all about sharing information and showing you guys how to just use things that are usable, that are cheap, that are, well, I won't say cheap, but sometimes I find cheap things I can't tell you guys too, but reasonable price, that are things that doesn't break the bank. So let me show you guys, because I don't want to talk too much. Okay, so let me show you guys this. So it's garden season, like I said, and I'm just going haywire. There's still some snow on the ground. It's still cold. But I'm starting to do my plants. I'm starting to save my seeds. And inside here is a whole bunch of seeds. Do you see how neat this is? Oh my gosh, guys. This is like, ooh. It looks like a little notebook. Like you would never know that there's seeds inside. So let's open it up and I'll show you what's in there. So guys, look at this. Can you see? Okay, let me take out this part in it. This is the like you can add sheets of paper in there so you can plan. So this is like a fantastic little garden planner. So if you live it, like if you have like a little balcony, or you don't have a lot of space and just want to have a tiny little planner, this is it. Now let me tell you guys, this is magnetic, right? This is magnetic. So, and the magnet is very strong. So you don't have to worry about like how much stuff you put inside, because the magnet will hold, and just pop it off like that and it holds a lot. So look at the amount of seeds that I have inside here. I have like so much seeds, and it's incredible. So these are like binders. If you look here, it's like binders, right? And these have little pockets like this. The pockets has a little zipper thingy, and the seeds go in there. So I have my seeds in there. This is tamarind seeds. I'm saving it for my new home. I'm going to plant it there. And then let me put it up here. And then you just zip it, and it's closed, so it's well protected. And this is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if you forget it outside, it get wet, like your seed is gonna wet. So that's what I like. And this can hold a lot of seed. I just have one, I think I have up to three packets of seeds in this one. But you can store a lot of seeds in it. So let me show you guys how it looks. It's just like this, and you can buy any amount of these things and put inside of it. Make it as much as you want. I think I have 15. I think I have about 15 in here in this. The next thing it has is this. Okay, so this is like a organizer. So once you have your seeds in here, my seeds, you see this little circular thing that you're seeing here? This is my label. So I have these labels that I bought on Amazon, and I just label my seeds with them on the seed packet. I'll show you after. So this is how to organize your seeds. So when I'm ready to plant my seeds, I will take one of these out and I'll put it here. and then I'll put all the seeds that I want to plant by the month, and I'll put it here. Now also this is a paper, and then you can attach it inside here. I just had mine stick here, and then you can write the date you plant the seed here. So when you put the sticker here, then you put the date and the name and stuff like that. So it keeps a record of what you're doing. I didn't plant anything yet, so I don't have a record yet. Let me take the seed. Oops, I'm dropping it. Let me just take it out because I didn't attach it. That's why it's falling. I even have some empty packets because I didn't put all the seeds that I want to use yet in there. But let me show you what I'm using. So instead of buying seeds and instead of buying those seed packets, what do you call them? Seed envelopes on Amazon, use these. These are called mini craft plastic bags, and you can find them at the dollar store if you live in an area where there's a dollar store. So this is what it looks like. And then these little things, I got it from Amazon. It's like 500 or 600 a lot in a packet. It's in a roll, and then you name the seeds. So this is tomato seeds that I have here. This is Roma tomatoes I have here, and I have it in this little thing like that. Now when I planted the Roma tomatoes, I just will take the seeds out and I'll leave the labels on it, and I'll just put back Roma tomatoes the next year. So this is really, really good to use, like this method. So you don't even have to take the label out because you're going to put back the same seed, the same kind of seed inside this little plastic thing. And then when you're done, you are just going to put it back in here, and then you're going to slide you put it here again. You're going to slide the zippy thing like this, and that's basically that. And that's just it. Let me show you what I have. I have pepper seeds in here, and these are all my saved seeds, my seeds that I save. You know, these seeds that have not been eaten. So yeah, I have pepper seeds here. I have so much pepper. You look at it. I have some pepper seeds. These ones are this is some flower seeds I have here in this one. Flower seeds. These ones, I have some beans. I have beans here. I have some how do you call that? Okra seeds. I have okra seeds. That's my saved okra seeds that I grew last year. That's some of my pumpkin seeds. I have, this is a mystery seed. This is a star apple. This is a star apple seed that I got. It's like a Caribbean seed, and I really want to grow that. So I'm gonna grow that. This one is these are cucumber seeds that I saved. Then I have some more red. It looks like a beef tomato, but it's not a beef tomato. But this tomato is really, really good. So I have that one here. And in this one, I have some apple seeds. I want to plant the apple seed. I know it's going to take a long time to make apples, but I just want to grow some apple. My sister and I grow apple, and it didn't take too long actually. And when I went to a house in the winter, I saw the apple tree because she told me about the apple tree, and it's a crab apple. So yeah, you never know. I could have a crab apple too. So I'm going to grow that. Yeah. So anyways, I have all some of the seeds in here, and some of the things are empty, so I have to add more seeds. But like I said, you could hold up to 5 to 6 little sacks in here in this one little, what do you call that, pocket? Yeah, in this one little pocket, you can hold up to 6 little pockets of seeds in here. And then, like I said, you're gonna use this to label. So I think, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 12. So this is for 12 months of the year. And so you can label 12 packets. And of course you can buy these extra. I think actually it came with 3 packs. I think it came with 3 of these. I think it did came with 3, but I just have to find the other 2. But anyways, you are going to use this. It's 12. And then you put for every month what you are going to be growing. So you keep stock of it. And this doesn't, you have to punch a hole in it if you want it. Punch a hole on the side with a little puncher, but I don't want to do that. It came just like this anyway. It wasn't punched. And then, like I said, this paper, you put it inside it. So you can put as much paper as you want inside of it. You just have to have the paper that has a hole in it, or punch a hole in it. I have a hole puncher, so just punch a hole in it, and then you put it, and then it closes like this. Okay, it closes like this. And all your seeds are in here. It is waterproof. and you don't have to worry about your seeds getting wet. So if you just plant certain things and you're not like a person who plant like a lot of things, you just have some favorite things like some carrots, some tomatoes, just basic things, this is amazing for you. And there is a bigger size in this also, and you can buy a bigger size if you want. Now I found this thing in Toronto at a place called Crazy Beans. My sister-in-law took me to a place called Crazy Beans, and that's where I bought it. So if you live in anywhere in the GTA region in Toronto, Canada, you can find it too. I looked on Amazon. I saw a similar one. It is not the very same thing, but it is the same concept. Now, the one on Amazon doesn't have the magnet. Now, this is a very strong magnet. The one on Amazon doesn't have a strong magnet. It has a clip, and it is much bigger, and the pockets are different. So if you can find these pockets and it has holes and you can make your own, I would suggest you make your own, because the pocket closes nicely, and then you don't have to worry about it getting wet or something. And you could put as much as you want, and the magnet is so strong it keeps it. But if it's something that just has a clip, the clip may flick out. So but this little thing, it's so handy. I think this is the so far, this is the best little handy thing that I found for my garden, because I can just take that outside with me. I have like a carrier that I carry my tools inside, like a carry bag. I can just slip that inside it. This, I have an apron also that comes up to the front, and the pocket is wide enough. I can just slip it inside it. Of course, it's going to make the pocket heavy, but you can slip it in it if you're just going outside to say, okay, I'm just going to plant one bed of carrots something, and you just have your seeds in there. You just pop it open like that, and you just put it down, and you just take your seeds off and put it back, you know. So this is very handy. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. So if you live in the GTA area, in Toronto area, and you went to any Crazy Bins, just look for this. And when I went there was a lot of them, and I think I got two, and I didn't need the two. I just need one because it has enough pockets in there that to hold a lot of seeds, so I don't need another one. If I need to use the other one, I can. But I also have another bin that I keep the majority of my seeds in, and I can come back and do a video for you guys showing you how I store my other seeds, like my bigger packets of seeds and stuff. So I can show you that. It's a really good bin, and it keeps the seeds really dry, and it helps you could really organize the seeds properly. So I will come back and show you guys that. Just comment in the bottom if you want to see, say if you want to see the other one where I store my seeds, just comment in the bottom. Actually, I have two storage things, a smaller one and a bigger one. So just comment in the bottom and say seed storage bin, and I'll do a video on the other one. The other one's a big one. But guys, so just get one of these if you don't have a lot of seeds. And this is so very handy. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, and the one on Amazon is like $23, and I paid $2.50 for this one. So this is much cheaper. So head to the GTA area, find Crazy Beans, and go pick up a couple of that, because amazing stuff. Let me show you guys again. All of my seeds are in there. Look, so amazing, so beautiful. All the seeds are in there, and as I said, I can add 3 more packets of each, and I have 15. So yeah, it holds a lot of seeds. All right, so guys, as always, happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Share love, peace, and joy. Stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.